Hello, how are you? My name is Santiago Flores. I am 19 years old and I am currently studying industrial engineering. My hobbies are the gym, reading, and time with friends and family. I am from the city of Bogota and I am part the group on 178 of the English course. At some point the year, I went on a trip to the department of Santander. I used it to go with family and when did all kinds of activities there. The first days were dedicated to visit some family gatherings. Then we visit new places like caves, hills and all kinds of natural attractions. But we also had day of total rest. We stayed all day in bed very relaxed. This is if to deflect a little stress from everything every day. The weather was very pleasant, allowing wet to place that were too hot is waking cold, and also the heat was often very pleasant. Thank you.